Exercise 6.2, question number 1. If A vector equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, B vector equal to 2I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, C vector equal to 3I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. Find A vector dot B vector cross C vector. So given three vectors A vector, B vector and C vector. To find A vector dot B vector cross C vector. This is nothing but scalar triple product, and this is denoted as box product A vector, B vector, C vector, and the value of scalar triple product is obtained using determinant form. So determinant, writing the components of A vector, B vector and C vector along the three rows. Here 1, minus 2, 3. First row 2, 1, minus 2. Second row 3, 2, 1. Third row. Expanding this determinant along R1. First element 1. So 1 into, leave first row, first column, 1 into 1. 1 minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Already formula ஒரு minus இருக்கிறதுனால இது plus ஆயிடும். 1 into 1 plus 4 minus of, இங்க ஒரு minus இருக்கு, so plus 2 into, leaving first row and second column, 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, so plus 6 plus 3 into, leave first row and third column, 2 into 2 4 minus 3 into 1 3. Simplifying, 1 into 5 plus 2 into 8 plus 3 into 1 equal to 5 plus 16 plus 3, adding 24. Therefore, A vector dot B vector cross C vector equal to 24. Second question. Find the volume of the parallelepiped whose coterminous edges are represented by the vectors minus 6i cap plus 14j cap plus 10k cap, 14i cap minus 10j cap minus 6k cap, and 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. So given three vectors, three coterminous edges of parallelepiped. Let us denote it as A vector, B vector and C vector. To find volume of the parallelepiped. Volume of parallelepiped is equal to modulus of box product A vector, B vector, C vector. Volume cannot be negative, so another we are finding absolute value, modulus. So first let us find out this box product. Box product A vector, B vector, C vector equal to determinant, writing the components of A, B, C along the three rows, minus 6, 14, 10. Similarly, 14 minus 10 minus 6, 2, 4 minus 2. Expanding along R1, first element is minus 6. Minus 6 into 20 minus of minus 24, so plus 24, minus 14 into minus 2 minus 28, minus of minus 12, so plus 12, plus 10 into 56 minus of minus 20 plus 20, 56 plus 20, that is equal to minus 6 into 20 plus 24 44, minus 14 into minus 28 plus 12 is minus 16, plus 10 into 56 plus 20 76. Multiplying, minus 264 minus into minus plus 224 plus 10 into 76 is 760. Adding 224 and 760, 984 minus 264. Subtracting 720. Therefore, volume of parallelepiped is equal to 720 cubic units. Next question number 3. The volume of parallelepiped whose coterminous edges are 7 I cap plus lambda j cap minus 3 k cap, I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap, minus 3 I cap plus 7 j cap plus 5 k cap is 90 cubic units. Find the value of lambda. So given 3 coterminous edges of parallelepiped and volume of parallelepiped is 90. Let us take the 3 edges as A vector, B vector, C vector. So given A, B and C. Again volume of parallelepiped is equal to 90. And we know the formula for volume of parallelepiped. Modulus of box product A vector, B vector, C vector equal to 90. நான் இங்கே மாடுலஸ் போடலை பிகாஸ் வால்யூம் வந்து உங்களுக்கு 19 கொடுத்துருக்கிறதுனால I didn't put modulus. Next, we know how to find box product value. That is determinant. Writing the components. 7 lambda minus 3, 1, 2 minus 1, minus 3, 7, 5 equal to 90. Expanding this determinant along R1, 7 into 2 into 5, 10, minus of minus 7, so plus 7, minus lambda into, leave first row, second column, 1 into 5, 5, minus 3 into minus 1 is 3, minus 3 into, leave first row, third column, 7, minus of minus 6, so plus 6, 7 plus 6 equal to 90. So simplifying 7 into 17 minus lambda into 2 minus 3 into 13 equal to 90. 7 into 17 119 minus 2 lambda minus 39 equal to 90. 119 minus 39 80 minus 2 lambda equal to 90. 80 bringing this side minus 2 lambda equal to 90 minus 80 is 10. Cancelling 2 with 10, we get lambda is equal to minus 5. Therefore, the value of lambda is minus 4. Next, question number 4. If A vector, B vector, C vector are 3 non-coplanar vectors represented by concurrent edges of a parallelepiped of volume 4 cubic units. Find the value of A vector plus B vector dot B vector cross C vector plus B vector plus C vector dot C vector cross A vector plus C vector plus A vector dot A vector cross B vector. So given volume of parallelepiped equal to 4. And you know the formula for volume, that is modulus of box product A vector, B vector, C vector equal to 4. Now removing this modulus symbol, we get box product of A vector, B vector, C vector equal to plus or minus 4. Now to find the value of this, so considering this, A vector plus B vector dot B vector cross C vector plus B vector plus C vector dot C vector cross A vector plus C vector plus A vector dot A vector cross B vector. Now this can be written as by distributive property. The தனித்தனியாக பிரித்து எழுதலாம். This can be written as A vector dot B vector cross C vector plus B vector dot B vector cross C vector plus similarly this B vector dot C vector cross A vector plus C vector dot C vector cross A vector plus, again this is C vector dot A vector cross B vector plus A vector dot A vector cross B vector. This scalar triple product, ஒரு dot ஒரு cross வந்தாலே அது scalar triple product, and the scalar triple product is denoted using box product. So this is equal to box product A vector B vector C vector plus this is box product B vector D vector C vector plus box product B vector C vector A vector plus box product C vector C vector A vector plus box product C vector A vector B vector plus box product A vector B vector is equal to box product A vector B vector C vector plus, in box product if two vectors are equal then value of this box product is 0. So second box product 0. Again this is when the vectors are in cyclic order, vectors cyclic order are equal, that is box product ABC equal to box product B vector C vector A vector equal to box product C vector A vector B vector. So by this property, this box product B vector C vector A vector can be replaced by box product A vector B vector C vector plus, here in this box product C two vectors equal, so 0. Again this is equal to box product A vector B vector C vector plus A vector two vectors equal, so 0. Again this is equal to box product ABC plus box product ABC plus box product ABC. So இது மூணையும் add பண்ணினா we get 3 into box product A vector B vector C vector. Now already we have the value here. Box product A vector B vector C vector equal to plus or minus 4. So இதுக்கு நம்ம இந்த value substitute பண்ணலாம். So this is 3 into plus or minus 4 equal to plus or minus 12.